Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to create a mani using 3 colors from Dipped in Sparkles, and I'm really liking these jars with the label on the front and then the clear jar. And then look at in the inside, it has this really nice protector in there. So the first color here, it's called Lava Rocks, and it is a chunky matte and fine glitter, and it is a light gray matte glitter, and it's super pretty, and Lava Rocks is definitely a good name for that glitter. And then we're going to pair it with this beautiful dark blue. This is called Midnight Sail, and it is a dark blue with fine shimmer glitters in here in a clear base, and the shimmer is super subtle, and I really like the pigment of that blue. It's super pretty. And then we're going to pair it with this beautiful glitter here called Absinthe, and it's a fine chunky glitter mix, but it has like 5 different glitters in it, and it ranges from teal, yellow, green, blues, golds. It's super pretty, and I really like how little the circular glitter is. So here are all 3 of the colors together. It's giving me some cool weather tone vibes or jewel tones, and I really like it. And then I did use their peel base as well, so I'm really excited about that. I've used it already, so I can kind of give you a brief synopsis of it. When I used the peel base, I used 2 full coats, and then I was able to pop off my mani when I was ready. So peel base is a tricky animal. It can depend on how many layers you need per person. Some people can get away with 1. I use 2 coats for this brand. Other brands I have to use 3. So just something to think about when you are doing your peel base. It takes a little bit of a learning curve to figure out what's going to work best for you with your chemistry. So just hang in there and definitely give it a chance, because peel base is definitely one of my favorite little hacks to doing my manis all the time, and I would be lost without peel base. So for today's mani, we are going to be doing the dip liquids, and we're going to be using the odorless dip liquids from Sundara Nails. If you've ever suffered from any dip flu or anything like that, or sensitive to scents, these liquids are my jam. They are a quick drying time. Sometimes when you have odorless dip liquids, the wait time on the dry is horrible, and it makes it for a really long process. I do not have any issues with that. I'm able to go ahead and dip and then clean the cuticle line and then brush off. So for the glitters today, I am going to go ahead and pour over for the first layer, and then I'm going to go ahead and dip directly into the cupcake liner. Now I'm only going to show you 2 dips on camera, but I did end up doing 3 dips total of the color, and I really like how the color payoff is and how the glitters are laying flat on the nail. So I'm definitely already impressed with these dip powders. So we'll get into the mani process here, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and I'm really liking this cool jewel tone mani. I'm really liking that dark blue. It's such a pretty blue. And that Lava Rocks, that matte gray glitter is super unique, and I'm just really in love with this mani. So I'm going to finish this mani using some cuticle oil from Glitzy Oils. They are awesome. So I really like these powders from Dipped in Sparkles. They applied really nicely, and the glitters applied super flat, so I did not have any problems when I was filing and buffing. So definitely head over to Dipped in Sparkles to check out other colors that they have, because there's so many other colors. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in the description box below, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload. Bye!